Okay. Hi friends. In this particular video, I am giving you a brief idea about how to perform a rotation of 16-bit numbers into right side. So not only one 16-bit number, let us see array of 16-bit numbers. We should rotate it into right side. Let us see how to write the program. Okay. See assembly language programming of 8086. So let us see our problem. Write an assembly language program to perform the rotation of set of 16-bit numbers into right side for 4 bits starts from 3000H and move the result into 4000H. So what is the meaning? We should take n number of 16-bit numbers and we should rotate each 16-bit number into 4 bits right side. Okay, and we need to select all those numbers starts from 3000H and move the result into 4000H. So in the previous video I explained same problem for left side rotation of same set of 16-bit numbers. Now this is for right side. Let us see theoretically how to write the program. I am taking same example here also. 1020H is the first 16-bit number, 3040H is the another 16-bit number, similarly 5060H is the third 16-bit number. Here also what is my count? 03. So I am selecting count in which location? 2000H memory location, like previous problem or previous video. So first 1020H converting into equivalent binary. What is equivalent binary? For 1, 3 zeros 1, for 0, 4 zeros. Okay. For another 2, what is equivalent binary? 0010. Then for 0, 4 zeros. Okay. First, what is first step? We should rotate this particular 1020H into the right side for 4 bits. First, let us see first bit rotation. Right side means like this it will rotate. Okay, like this. So for every bit rotation into right side, what happens? This LSB bit will comes to MSB bit position, whereas left side rotation in previous video I explained MSB bit will comes to LSB position, whereas for right side movement LSB bit will comes to MSB position. Then remaining bits will be rotating one bit position into right side. Okay, let us see first bit rotation what happens. This 0 will comes to MSB position. Remaining bits will be rotated right side into 1 bit position. In that case what happens? This 1 will be moving right side to 1 position. So this is the position. Similarly this one also moving to right side. Then this is the position. Okay, like that. Next second time rotation what happens? Again this LSB bit will comes to MSB position and remaining bits will be rotating right side in same manner. 1 bit position into right side. Then this one comes here. Similarly this one rotated to right side 1 bit position like this. Next this is the second time rotation. If this third time rotation what happens? This 0 comes to MSB position and remaining bits will be rotated right side into 1 bit position. Then this one comes to next position. This one comes to next position. This is third bit rotation into right side. If this fourth bit rotation what happens? This 0 comes to MSB position. This 0 comes to MSB position and remaining bits will be rotated right side into 1 position. Then this one comes to next right side position. This one comes to next right side position. Remaining bits also in same manner 1 bit position move to right side. Okay, this is the overall value after rotating our given 16-bit number into 4 bits right side. Then what is equivalent hexa? 4 zeros means 0. 0001 means 1, 4 zeros means 0, 0010 means 2. What is the answer for this problem? If you rotate 1020H into 4 bits right side, then what happens? This 0 will, see here, this 0 will comes to 1's place. Then remaining 1's place, accordingly the other bits are adjusted towards right side. Then what happens? 0 comes to this side, 1 comes to this place, 0 comes to this place, 2 comes to this place. So what is the answer for this? So final answer should be 0, 1, 0, 2. So lower byte is 0, 2, higher byte is 0, 1 for this problem. Similarly, let us see 3040 in same manner. If you repeat, we get. So if you rotate 4 bits into right side, what happens? This 0, see here, this 0 will comes to 3 place. Then 3 comes to next 0 place, 0 comes to 4 place, 4 comes to 0's place. Then what is the answer? 04 is the lower byte, 03 is the higher byte. Here also 05 is the higher byte and 06 will be the lower byte. Let us see. So here also how many bytes we have? 6 bytes. So total 16-bit numbers means 6 bytes. So how many locations are required? 6 locations. So starts from 3000 So we are taking 6 locations, 3000 to 3005. What is lower byte? First number 20, higher byte 10. So 20, 10. Next number 40, 30. Okay, order of giving numbers. Next third number, lower byte is 60, higher byte is 50. Lower byte is 60, higher byte is 50. Like that, if you give values in the memory locations, then it perform the rotation operation. Then we get results like this. 02 will be the lower byte result, lower byte. 01 will be the higher byte for first case. So result also, what is the size of result? So 6 locations, 4000 to 4005. 4000 contains 02, 4001 contains 01, like that. Similarly, for other two 16-bit numbers also 0403, similarly 0605 will be the answers. Okay, like that we can rotate 16-bit number into right side for 4 bits. Okay, not only 4, we can change even number of bits rotation also. Let us see how to write the program. So minimize the screen. Okay, go to DOS box. Excuse me. Go to the DOS box, then select mount. Select mount, M-O-U-N-T, mount. Then D space D colon slash. Okay, then D colon, then CD space 8086. In order to make full screen, Alt Enter. So here also, what is the first step? We should select code segment, code segment, code segment. Then assume directive ASSUME, assume CS colon code. This instruction will convert 16-bit logical address into 20-bit physical address. Then start of the program, assembly program. Here also, what is first step? Exclude your AX comma AX. Like previous program also explain similar way. Same steps, just only mnemonic is changing. I will show you. Accordingly, results are changing. Then move BL comma AL. So BL is also clear. Then what is the next step? Move. Here CL is also required for selection of number of bits to move into right side. For that, move CL comma AL. So which are clear? AL clear, AH clear, BL clear, and CL clear. Okay. Then for selecting the number of 16-bit numbers, we need to select 2000 location. For that, I am writing move SI comma 2000H. Next, move DA, move BL comma box of SA. So BL takes number of bytes, number of 16-bit numbers. So if you execute this instruction, what happens? BL takes data from 2000 location. So in our example, what is the size of 16-bit numbers? We are taking 3. So BL we are selecting 3. Then we are rotating 3 16-bit numbers into right side. So now count is present in BL register. Then what is the next step? We should assign CL with 04H, because how many bits we are rotating? 4 bits. That information is loaded in CL. Let's say move CL comma 04H. Move CL comma 04H. Then what is the next step? We need to select locations. So move SI comma 3000H. Okay. Similarly, for sending result, we need another location. For that, I am writing move DI comma 4000H. 3000 for selection of set of 16-bit numbers, and 4000 for selection of results. Okay. So what is first step? Move AX comma box of SI. So in this case, what happens? My AX takes data from 3000 and 3001. Nothing but it will take first 16-bit number. Okay. Then what is the next step? We should rotate, right? Okay, what is the mnemonic for rotate, right? ROR AX comma CL. In that case, what happens? My AX is rotating 4 bits right side, because CL is 04, 4 bits right side, and result is stored in AX. And where I need to send the results? Into DI. For that, move box of DI comma AX. So results are available in AX. Like that, we are rotating one 16-bit number. But in our example, we have 3 16-bit numbers. So in order to repeat, we need to select the next location or next location for selecting another number. For that, add SI comma 02H. Why I am writing add? Because it's a 16-bit number. First number is 16-bit number. Where I need to select another 16-bit number in 3002 and 3003. For that, initially SI is 3000. So if you write SI comma 0 to 3002. So from 3002 and 3003, we are selecting next 16-bit number. Similarly, 3004 and 5, we are selecting another 16-bit number. Same way. For that, add SI comma 0 to, for result also same. Add DI comma 02H. Okay. Like that, we are incrementing, adding SI with 02. Then what is my SI? 3002. And what is my DI? 4002. Okay, one 16-bit number already we are rotating. Now we have two more only. For that, decrement what? BL. Initially, for example, BL is 3. Then after decrementing, what is BL 2? Then we are checking is it 0 0 or not. So for that jump, no 0. If BL is not 0, then it will jump. Here I am writing L1, where it will go here. For initially assume BL is 3. After decrementing, what is BL 2? Is it 0 0? No, it will go here. Then my AX takes data from 3002 and 3003. Then that particular AX is now rotating right side for 4 bits. We get result in AX, and that result is moved to 4002 and 4003. Again SI is adding with 0 2. Then what is SI now? 3004. DA 4004. BL decrementing. What is BL now? 02 becomes 01. Is it 00? No. Then it will go here. Then my AX takes data from 3004 and 5. Okay, and result is and that AX is rotating right side for 4 bits. Like that, this loop repeats for how many times? 3 times if count is 3. So at the end, we should write int 3, end of the program. Then later, code ends. Program for rotating 16-bit number into right side for 4 bits. Okay, so if it is a 6 bits, then write CL into 06. 8 bits, 08 like that. So then save. So what is the program here? It is ROR, for example, 1.asm. Okay, file name is ROR.1.asm. ROR1.asm. File exit. How to run? Masm ROR1.asm. Enter 4 times. Enter 1, 2, 3, 4. Then link ROR1.obj. Enter 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then debug ROR1.exe, then G equal to 4 bits. So where I need to select count 2000, for that E space 2000. So what is count? I am selecting 0, 3 here also. Okay, then where I need to select 3 16-bit number starts from 3000. So E space 3000, enter. What is my number? 1020. So what is lower byte? 20. What is higher byte? 10. What is next 16-bit number? 3040. Lower byte 40. Higher byte 30. Then other one 5060. So lower byte is 60, higher byte is 50. Like that we are selecting 3 16-bit numbers. Where I need to again run the program. Run G equal to 4 zeros. Okay. Then where I need to see the result starts from 4000 to 4005. For that D space 4000 comma 4005 contains rotation results. What is the result? 0201. Similarly 0403. Similarly 0605. Like that we can rotate. So now these results are matched with the theoretical results. Like that we can rotate 16-bit number, a set of 16-bit numbers into right side for 4 bits. Not only 4. If you change CL into any bit, that many bits we can rotate it easily. For exit, press P and exit. Okay. So okay, thank you for watching this video. Okay, if you really like, please kindly share my video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you so much.